Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix Snapchat support code SS07. So to fix this, first of all open Play Store. Now search for Snapchat. Now you have to update to latest version. After the update is complete, open Settings. Tap on Apps. Find Snapchat. Now go to Snapchat. Now you have to clear cache. Now go back. Tap on battery. You have to put it on unrestricted mode. If the problem does not go away, uninstall the app and reinstall it. If the problem still persists, it might be because of a bug. In such cases, it will fix on its own after some time. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.